Hey folks, welcome to Hillbilly Happening. This hillbilly just so be happy to walk around, check out the snow. Came in today, been snowed out for about a week. Came in, got somebody hopefully come dig me out tomorrow. So I'm just walking around looking. There's the four-wheeler. See how deep the snow is around the four-wheeler. I dug it out a little bit. You can see, got about 2 feet of snow now, but we probably had about 36 inches. There's the trailer, solar panels. Tractor's got to go into the shop because something's wrong with it. Of course, the guy has to go to the shop when you really need it. If you're walking around, little overcast now. Probably, I don't know, 22, 23 degrees. I think you can see it, but it's not. I'm walking on the tire tracks, and they're probably 4 inches from the ground. You can see that field is the old wheat field. Had a lot of stubble in it, had some wheat in it, and weeds and stuff were probably 18 inches high. Can't even see them. Walk around through the snow. See how much snow's on the trailer, on the batteries. Handles are pretty clear. This one's not. It's not bad. See all the snow there? You look out there from my other videos, you know that that's a lot of yeah, I'm drawing a blank. A lot of yeah, drawing a blank again. A lot of weeds, and you know what's out there. If not, I will remember and tell you. I can't remember, but you can see how much snow it is. Really needed the snow down here, so we're glad we're getting it. But man, we're getting tired of it. Since the snow hit, I haven't seen many animals running around. I think they're all down in the canyon. All right, y'all, just want to give you a quick look. Like, share, and watch the videos all the way through, please. Make a comment, and we'll talk at y'all later. Bye now, y'all have a good day.